Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Xampp with your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you need to log into your WordPress account. So in the upper right corner, go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have one, just create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where you can get started with accessing your website. As you can see, we have all the sections we have, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So basically guys, now we can get started. So as you know, you'll probably need to install Xampp to your PC if you do not already have it. If you have it, you can just go ahead and open it up. If not, go to apache-friends.org and download Xampp right here. So after downloading and opening up, it's going to look like this. So this is the display map module that's going to open up when you open up the Xampp section and the control panel. And this is where we can get started. So basically guys, this is going to enable us to get started connecting our databases. You can use Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, doesn't matter. You can open up and start any one of them. So once you have started them guys and open up the admin menu and created your database that you want to import to your website, you can now get started. So you can get started with exporting your website from WordPress and downloading it so that you have it in a zip file. And once you have gotten it in a zip file, you want to open up the config right here. The config is going to enable you to either open up the config or the explore page and open up your folder where your Xampp is, and there you can get started putting your zip file of your WordPress website. So once you put your website into Xampp, now you can successfully get started with importing that database using the admin sections and the config sections right here into your WordPress website and creating your WordPress websites one site and one page one by one. But yeah, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.